In Japan, there is a university where native speakers of English and non-native speakers associate actively with each other. Amazingly, the proportion of natives to non-natives in this university is 50-50. But because of that, many troubles about English happen.
Hello everyone, welcome to MN University. Today, I will show you some of the problems in conversation that happen here and teach you how to solve them. Finally, I sense a problem.
Hey, let me introduce her to you. This is Sarah.
Nice to meet you. I'm Sarah.
Hello, I'm Debbie.
Sarah is from the Philippines and she's soft.
Why has the mood turned strange? I'll explain. She said that her friend is soft, meaning she's kind. But it's not good. She's soft means she's physically weak and she doesn't like hard work. So in fact, everyone has like that.
Sarah is from the Philippines and she's soft.
This is definitely not good. She should say it this way.
Sarah is from the Philippines and she's gentle.
I think so too.
You must be popular with boys. That's good. Oh, I sense another problem about to happen.
Hey, there's a guy I really like.
Really? Who's that?
It's Isaac of J Club.
Oh, him? He is so cool.
I'm going to ask him for a date.
That's good. Give it your best shot.
I want to be his girlfriend.
I wish you could.
Do you understand? The problem is her last line. I wish you could. So it suddenly means you want the thing to come true. It expresses a low potential for success. So in fact, she has it the way.
I want to be his girlfriend.
I wish you could.
It's just a matter of time before their relationship is ruined. She should use more positive expression.
I want to be his girlfriend.
That would be great.
Thank you.
I sure hope she gets Isaac. Now, here's today's last problem.
What did you do on spring vacation?
Well, I drove down to the beach with my girlfriend.
That sounds good. Did you have fun?
Of course I did. I enjoyed myself with her.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Hi darling.
This problem is hard to deal with. The problem is I enjoyed myself with her. If he said only I enjoyed myself, it would mean he had fun. But if he adds words with her, it means he had his way with his girlfriend. So Austin had it the way.
That sounds good. Did you have fun?
Of course I did. I enjoyed myself with her.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Let's consider what his true feeling must be. If he wants to emphasize spending a fun time, then he should say it like this.
That sounds good. Did you have fun?
Yes, I did. We had good time together.
That's great.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi darling.
You are so lucky.
This is how it should be. As we have seen, a lot of big trouble happen because of the slight turn of a phrase. Why don't you take a new look at your usual way of speaking English? What you should always keep in mind is
Hi, Dad.
My English.
Sounds good.
Native speakers.
now you are getting it. Thank you. I'll see you again.